Today we'll be reviewing the Etekcity 7-color backlit waterproof wired gaming keyboard. It also features 6 programmable function keys, which I'll talk about in the review. The K9500 is a sharp and edgy looking keyboard that will satisfy any gamer setup. I'll begin with the advantages of this keyboard. The placement of the function keys are very useful. They are programmable to perform macros, open apps, or just simply a key on the keyboard. The K9500 also features a Windows key lock function, which is useful for gamers accidentally minimizing the game. If you like to game in the dark, the K9500 has a well-dampened key, so you could type quietly if you press lightly enough. The 4mm high silicone keys help with finger placements when using it in the dark as well. In terms of ergonomics, there is an elevation clip on the back of the keyboard to raise the keyboard. However, that's pretty much the extent of the keyboard's ergonomic functionalities. Like many people, disk drives are slowly being pushed out of the computer builds to reduce size, and it forces people to find drivers online. Etek has come prepared. With a quick search on Google, I was able to locate their website and find the drivers I needed with the breeze. This keyboard claims to be waterproof with a rating of IPX4, which is decent for light spills. Let's test that out. Playing your games, and you have a casual spill of water. And oopsies. Oh, it's not too much water, but it's your average kind of spill, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the water just drips right off of there. Let's see. So the keyboard seems fine. If anything does go wrong, I'll definitely place an update in the review. I can say that, for your average kind of spill, you'll be fine, because all the water that I poured in leaked into the microfiber towel. So beyond the K9500's great looks and features, there are some drawbacks. When playing games, my hands naturally hit the corner button, assuming it's the escape key, to exit shops and stuff. But with this keyboard, the escape key is actually not in the corner due to the 6 programmable keys. There is, however, a quick fix. With the K9500 driver, you can assign the corner button programmable key G1 as an escape key. That way, if you do press the corner button, you are still pressing the escape key. When I received the product, I noticed that the U and the X key were not as responsive. This may be a manufacturing defect and is easily fixed with an easy exchange with Amazon's hassle-free return policy. Overall, the concerns I raise about this product are not problems of the keyboard itself, but rather my own pet's peeve and a manufacturing defect, both which are fixable and adaptable. If you're in the scope for a new gaming keyboard, the K9500 definitely scores well with me. For $39.99, you get a waterproof backlit 7-color keyboard with 6 programmable function keys.